What up, good people? I'm gonna show you how to replace the light bulb on the 2019 Hyundai Sonata. So first things first, you gotta locate the part. So basically, I don't know what it is. Locate a little foam cover junk. This is the tail light. As you know, that the brake light is out. So you basically go back here, you look and see. So right here, it'd be the one right here. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's this one. You turn it counterclockwise. Give it a little tug. Boom. The bulb. Twist it. As you can see, it's blowed. This is the old one, as it's burnt. This is the new one. This one is clear. So I put the old one right there. It's a twist. It's a push down and twist. So you push it down and you twist. So that's what I did. Just push down and turn the other way. Voila. So, but if you enjoyed this video, you're gonna smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of Artofspeedd family, go ahead and subscribe button. Yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.